Hi there, Rosie. Just creating a quick assignment here for you, or a quick video here for you, to show you how easy it is to use Kami inside of Google Classroom to give out your assignments. It creates a lot more tools for you to use with an assignment, and it creates a lot of tools for students for completing the assignment. And I just thought I'd tempt you a little bit here with it. I know staying with Google Classroom, the good old tried and true, is a good thing and no problem. But Kami is pretty amazing. So just want to show you a little bit about how easy it is to use. Right now I'm in Google Classroom, and Kami works inside Google Classroom, so you're not leaving what you know. And I'm going to go ahead right now and just create an assignment for my students. With Kami installed, I now have the choice of a Kami assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and select Kami assignment. That's going to open up this window here, pretty typical assignment window. And I'm going to make this a sample assignment. A sample assignment, and I'm just going to tell my students to complete the worksheet. Oops, worksheet. Sheet. And I'm going to leave it at 100 points. I'm going to give a due date of tomorrow, and all that kind of good stuff. Right now I don't have any topics, so I'm going to say no topics. I could send out instructions to students on how to use Kami. I'm going to assume my students already know that. I'm going to go grab the worksheet I want them to complete, and I put that in a classroom folder here called sample assignment. And I created this assignment in Google Docs, and it's just a simple worksheet assignment. And I'm going to go ahead and click on assign that. Takes a second or two. And I'm going to tell that I want to put that assignment for being opened in Google Classroom. So I can click on open in Google Classroom. If I want to make some additions to the assignment using the Kami tools, I can do that now by clicking. I'm back in my Google Classroom, but I can click on the document, and it opens automatically. It has a choice here at the top to open with Kami, and so I'm going to go ahead and open that worksheet with Kami. And what I get now are a whole bunch of tools that I can use for drawing on the document. I can draw and circle things. I can write text boxes on there, create documents. I can do shapes, drawing on there, select colors. I have all kinds of things I can do. And whatever I do here will be part of the student assignment. So if you want to add things, one kind of cool thing here is the comment section. You can actually add video or audio comments. So if you want students to translate something that you've dictated to them, you could actually have a video comment or a voice comment inside the assignment, and then they could type out their answers where they've translated the assignment you've given to them. So Kami has lots and lots of really nice features to it. I should probably, well, I've got a bunch of stuff up here now I should probably get rid of. X out some of this stuff. Anyway, I'm just going to leave that there for now. Not important. I'm going to go ahead and close that, and then show you what it looks like from the student perspective. So I'm going to come over here to a student, and that student's going to head over here to their classwork, and they're going to see that they have a sample assignment. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that sample assignment like a student would, because it tells me to complete the worksheet. So I'm going to open the worksheet, and they have the same choice. They can open that worksheet in Kami. So I'm going to click on that. Um, and there's the blank worksheet. And they can now have those same tools. They can mark things up. They can now mark things up and um, get them out back to you. They've got the same basic tools. They can have a text box here where they can answer that question. They can do the things I'm asking them to do to mark up. They can circle that and then label that as George Washington and so forth. So they have all those same kind of tools. And then they can simply click over here on the right. They click on turn that assignment in and turn it in. At that point, the assignment is still turning in. So I'm going to click, that's done. So I'm going to click off of that. They're all done with that. That's now turned in. I'm going to go back to you and go back to your Google Classroom, close this out. And now when I go to grading or whatever, I now have that sample assignment and I can click on my Enlight Investigations student and I can see, oh, they've turned in sample assignment. It's been turned in. I can click on that. And it opens up in Kami. And I now have my tools again to mark up that student's answer. I can see what the student's done and I can now mark up. I can circle, put comments, put video comments, voice comments, and then come over here. I can give it a score. Let's say I give them a perfect 100 on it. And then I can return that to the students with all the nice markup tools where I can draw and I can make shapes. I can erase what I've done. I can do all those things on top of this document. So I'm going to go ahead and return the document to the students. And when they open it up, they can see all of the markings that I have made. So I'm going to go ahead and return it. And I'm not going to take the time right now to go back into the student side of things. But if I did, when they go back and see their returned assignments, they would click on it, open it in Kami, and they would be able to see all of the markings that you had made on the document. Hopefully that's helpful to you, and let me know if you would like me to make any more videos on how to use Kami. Talk to you later. Bye.